Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to activate Payoneer card. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Payoneer interface first and make sure you are logged into it. Now over here, we need to click on profile icon and scroll down to support center. Here we need to scroll down to my Payoneer card and click on ordering and activation. Here we can see various options. Here is an option for how do I activate my card. Simply tap on this and here are the details provided. We need to follow all of these details here, and at first we need to sign in and go to Payoneer cards and click on activate. Since my one is already activated, that won't be available, and if you yet have the problem, simply click on contact us and write your problem there. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.